Welcome back to the MEC Basic Training videos. This is the third in a series. My name is Greg Whitmore, and today we are going to show you how to change a barcode number. The way that we're going to do this is we have a record, just like the one that we see here, and I'm actually going to switch to the item table so we can see everything that's in here. I've decided I need to change the train 005 thing barcode. So to do that, I'm going to hit View, which brings up the record that we created before. I'm going to hit Actions up here on the top right. I'm going to scroll down this list until I find replace barcodes. That's what I'm looking for. So currently it's train 005. I'm going to change this to train 006. And I'm going to hit Submit. And then if we actually close the screen down and go back and refresh the main record screen, you can see that 005 is gone and 006 is there. In addition to changing the barcodes, the other thing that we can do on this particular screen is delete our holdings. So let's go ahead and look at that for a minute. Once again, we're going to start on the actual view. I'm going to delete this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and click View, which again brings up the item status screen. I'm going to hit the Actions tab over here. I'm going to scroll down this screen until I find Delete Items. This is going to permanently delete the selected items and or call numbers from the catalog. That's exactly what we want to do, so we're going to hit OK. Notice here that we've actually got this little message now that says this item has been marked as deleted, which is exactly what we want. Once again, if we close out this screen and we do a refresh, we should see that the item with train 002 is now gone from the system. And that's how you change a barcode number and how you delete an item. Thanks.